like we were saying, Mr. Nega, we'll go back into the parallel part here in a little bit to talk about what we can do with angles. All right. So when you're looking at number 11, you've got your mid segment is the x minus 2. The side it doesn't touch is the x plus 3. So what I would be doing is that I'm always going to say if I double the mid segment, it equals side not touched. SNT, side not touched. Easier. Okay. Fill in the blanks. This is the other reason why I was putting this stuff in parentheses, so that we remember to distribute. So for those of you guys who are messing stuff up, you were forgetting to distribute. Subtract x, add 4. Then it's quick math. But it's just remembering that you have to distribute. That's where, again, most of you guys will mess up and forget distribute properly. Okay. Excuse me. Same deal on the other one. Double the mid segment. It equals the side not touched. Right. Distribute and solve. Excuse me. Is it okay to get a value of x that's negative? Absolutely. Because if you substitute in, it still works. It's okay. A lot to remember. These CUDA, we call them CUDA worksheets because they're made by CUDA stuff. These guys are notorious for giving you answers that values of x equals 0. Excuse me, values of x that are negative. Notorious for that. Right. Sir. Don't. Thanks. What's that? Yeah, it's the coffee. So, was there anything else on that sheet that was terrible that you were messing up, having a hard time with? I can't imagine it was all that bad. As long as you remember to distribute out fine, you'd be okay. Yep, it's the easiest way to remember it. Move things around. Really, really, really fast. Okay. So let's do this then. Since we've done all the segment stuff, let's go back into the idea of what happens with the angles. Okay. Now, one of the things that we talked about with the idea of the mid-segment, that mid-segment is also parallel to the side not touched. So if you've got a mid-segment, doesn't have to be all of them. That means that this side is going to be parallel to this one when it looks like that. So what happens here is that you're going to get some angle pair relationships. You're going to get angle pair relationships out of this. When you have mid-segments, the easiest thing to look at is if you've got your two parallel lines, the sides of the triangles then become transversals. Do you see that? You get transversals then. If you extend what relationship are those two? corresponding. Very good. Those are corresponding. Same spot, same position. Okay. You wind up when you have these mid segments, you're going to wind up with corresponding angles. Okay. You'll get corresponding angles. Yes, ma'am.
So, if we have like the whole entire group, like, would all those angles be congruent?
Not necessarily. So, I'm sorry, which ones are you talking about?
Okay, so like if
Come here. Just come here. I can't. I don't know where you're going.
so if these two are parallel, but that's going to be congruent, but like are there inside angles?
Oh, okay, so like this one to this one?
Yeah.
It would be, but we're not dealing with an external angle here at all. We're just looking on the inside stuff. Okay, but yes, that would happen, but we're not worried about the external angles. Is that what you're looking at? Okay. So, let me ask you this. Do you guys all see that there's two triangles? The large triangle and the smaller one?
Oh, never mind.
You're thinking about drawing all three of those in. Yeah, that's why I'm going, hello? Anyway, so you guys all see there's two triangles. There's a small one on the top, there's a large one overall. Do you guys all agree that those two triangles have a common angle?
Yeah.
Isn't that common between the two of them? It's kind of, instead of a reflexive side, it's a reflexive angle. Okay. So what'll happen is you get these two guys will be the same again. And this isn't anything we're talking about in this chapter, but that small triangle and that large triangle wind up being what's called similar. And we do that in the beginning of second semester. We're talking about similarity. But yeah, but we're going to get to that eventually. So what happens here with mid-segments is, remember, mid-segments connect midpoints. They're half the side they don't touch. They're parallel to the side they don't touch, which means you're going to get these corresponding angles thrown in from time to time. So let me see here if I had a picture of. Yeah, we'll do this. So if X is the midpoint here and Y is the midpoint here, excuse me, we're able to go through and find angles really easy, or easily, I should say, I can speak. So if it says that angle UXY is 60, what's angle B at? 60. If this is 60, that means this is 60. Those two angles have to be congruent. If W is 45, what is UYX? 45. Then what's the measure of angle U? What are you going to do to figure that out? Yep. Well, no, I understand what you mean. You add like 60 plus the 45. What's that? Mm-hmm. Yep. The 60 and 45 gives you 105. Back that out and you're left with 75. Again, see where I'm going with? We have that parallel part that'll come in. See how easy that is? Super easy. I'll get you to 75 here. And so on and so on. Now, they don't really talk, I don't want to give you too much right off the bat here, because I want you to be able to figure something out. Let me see if I have that up. I apologize for not having this one all. Oops. On it here. In case I don't do a lot of that. I remember which sheet had this good problem on it. Oh well. speech for that as you were the best man? That's not fair that you guys are credit for dressing up. What happens if you don't? What happens if you don't drink? You know what I mean, though? What were you asking? Where did I graduate from? I went to Carrick. That way, about an hour from there. You ever heard of Crystal Lake? Yes. Barrington? Between Crystal Lake and Barrington. On Route 14. That was Camp Crystal Lake. It's different. I don't think there's a. There is a Crystal Lake. Just stop by your head. People are starting to really feel bad. Never seen it. Never seen it. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen Halloween. I was never a big fan of horror movies. I love Jaws because of the suspense on it. I think there was what was the name of the movie? No. Body Parts. There was a movie called Body Parts back in the early '90s or so, and it was about a company that was harvesting body parts from people on death row. So they would, like, let's say you needed an arm, so they would give you an arm of a guy that was on death row that they were executed anyway. So this guy who was getting to be executed had to give up a bunch of body parts because whatever. So he went on his search to go get them all back. There was a scene in it that just made me laugh though because it was really funny after a while. He was in a car crash while he was out scavenging for his old body parts, and he crashed his car, and he's about to get out, and he went back into the car to get the legs out of the back seat. And I just remember, oh, don't forget the legs. It's a horror movie. I don't know. It was bad. But no, do this. This shouldn't take very long. I thought this was a good thing after the long weekend, just to kind of get back into going with this. We should be able to, well, definitely be done with this whole unit by Thanksgiving. This might be the one time that we have to have our test then on a Monday. It's not the end of the world. It happens once a year maybe for all of us. So we might have to be done with it on Monday. Then we have that buffer in case you're sick or something on Monday to do it on Tuesday before we go back on the break. Yes, ma'am. No, we have, it's this one and then the last week. There's still a couple in there. We had the first week, which, yeah, this. Well, that's right, because we had that half day on the first, on the Friday of the first week. We had last week with the conferences. We had a full week this week. Next week we got 2 days, and then there's a full week after that. So, you'll have Monday. They've been traditionally the past, I'd say it's been the past 7 or 8 years, at least since we've been in this building, we've been having that Wednesday off because nobody was ever here. So they switched some days around and stuff. Yeah, my kids do too. That's when a lot of schools do conferences and stuff. Go ahead, get rolling. Segment? Is it connected to this? Okay, what about 25? Okay, so it's half the size of the side of the size. Yes, sir. Yep, in 1 second.